How to see friends' activity on Instagram. Have you ever wondered how to see your friends' activity on Instagram? In this video, I'll show you a few ways to check out what your friends are up to. If this video helps, don't forget to like. First things first, open the Instagram app and simply go to the home screen. At the top, you'll see the stories of the people you follow. Tap on a friend's story to see what they've posted recently, and you can also scroll through their feed to see the latest post like this. Now go to the profile of the friend you want to check again. Just tap on the post and you can look at the likes and comments. You can see if they've interacted with other users or responded to comments. Just note, Instagram removed the following activities tab, so you can't see all the intentions like before. Now you can also view their following list. If they frequently engage with those accounts, you may see the interactions in the comments as well. And if you're close to someone, consider adding them to your close friends list and encourage them to do the same so that you'll get more personal story updates if they share privately. And that's it. These are the best way to see your friends' activities on Instagram.